System arming. System disarming. Home arming. 9 zone. System alarming.
This is a KERUI remote control design for KERUI host. Model is RC532. It has 4 buttons and 1 LED light. The functions of the 4 buttons are arm, disarm, home arm, SOS. When the button is pressed, the LED light will light up, indicating that the remote control is working normally. If the LED light does not light up, please check the battery or the remote control is damaged. The back is fixed by a screw. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. And then open the shell by hand. You can see the motherboard and battery inside. Below it is a plastic ring, which is convenient to hang on the wall or on the neck. The battery it uses is AC, a 2030 cell battery. Remove it, and only need to replace the battery according to the positive and negative poles.